and one tell me, Sujit, what are you doing right now? Sorry.
To job in Tech Mahindra company call center.
Okay. Now just we are going on our question. Okay. So first question is, what are your eating habits like?
Okay. First of all,
So,
everyday routine. Okay. I 7 p.m. and then I was some pots because I live in alone. I was some pots and
okay, tell me one thing. Are you understand the question? What are your eating habits like? Which type of food do you prefer? Do you prefer fast food? Do you prefer homemade food? Do you prefer in hotel? Which type of food? Either understand?
yeah. Actually, veg food. I have made the food in room.
Okay, I know. Yeah.
I am cooked food and timing 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. के
Okay, please wait. Okay, can you hear me, anyone? Hamid K. Good morning. Please unmute your mic if you want to interested to participate in this panel. Then please unmute and speak. Nasif. Hello. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning to you, brother.
Okay, Nasif, please introduce yourself in brief. Again, sorry. Again, your voice is breakdown and not coming clear. Yeah, Sujit.
Okay. मुझे पसंद नहीं है मतलब क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है कैसे बोलेंगे.
I don't like fast food. I don't like those food which is spicy. I don't like spicy, oily, as well as those. Okay.
I don't like
spicy food.
Fast food, and I don't like oily food. And thereafter, for 1 hour, I am going to institute for English class.
Okay, very nice. So, what you learn from? Since when are you going to your institute for learn English?
Sorry, could you please repeat that?
Yeah, since when you are going to your institute? आप अपने institute कब से जा रहे हैं?
About 1 month.
Okay.
About 1 month.
Okay, so what do you feel that? How can we improve our communication?
Sorry.
मतलब कैसे हम अपने इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करेंगे, आप क्या इसके बारे में फील कर रहे हैं? ओके, जस्ट आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू 2 and 3 थिंग. फर्स्ट थिंग, practice more and more. Okay, because practice makes a man a perfect. Okay, and third thing, there is four skill for improving your language. That is a reading skill, as well as listening skill, as well as writing skill, and listening skill. So per day go through all 4 skill. Okay, are you getting me? Are you getting me?
Yeah.
And then then feel your communication gradually improve. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Sumit, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah, how are you? I am not sir, I am also learner. How are you, dear?
I'm fine.
Okay, so please introduce yourself in brief.
I think before 2 days we discussed with another channel. We discussed on I think 2 days before.
Yeah, on just talk.
Yeah.
Thank you. How you know me?
Yeah. During the time we discussed I think 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
In the night.
Okay, so you are my favorite partner. If you have seen on that app, just I accept your my favorite partner. Actually, I have 5 or 6 favorite partner, means favorite calling partner. Among them, you are also my favorite calling partner.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, nice to again talk to you. So this is
during the time I discussed with you that are you enjoying your current stage of the life?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So during the time I told you, so you remembered?
Are you enjoying? Okay, please tell me something means regarding your education background as well as where are you calling from. Then I'll recognize you.
I am from Banaras. Currently, I live in New Delhi.
Okay.
I am working in MNC company. It is 5-number ranking of India, Tech Mahindra.
Okay.
In Noida.
Okay.
I have done my graduation in English literature.
Oh yeah. I remember. Just memorize you. Okay, so actually I have only 9 minutes. Okay, and after 9 minutes just I have to complete this session. So within 9 minutes just we want to means communicate each other on that topic, which is today's question is, when do you usually get up in the morning?
Okay. I'm early bird. I usually get up around 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock in the morning.
Do you ever change your routine?
Of course, I am very eager to change this routine because nowadays it is a hectic schedule for my work because my office work is 10 to 7. If I will
Hello. Your voice is not coming.
just checking network.
Okay. Till then, I'm just move another panelist. Good morning, Samir. Good morning, Rahul. Hello, anyone? Am I audible to anyone? Mr. Samir, good morning. Please unmute your mic. Good morning. Please unmute your mic. Okay. अपने इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, अपने स्पीकिंग, अपने फ्लुएंसी, अपने ग्रामर आप चेक कर सकते हैं अपने आप को कि हमारा इंग्लिश कैसा है। तो उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, यदि आपको पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय बाय।